Dito, dito. Dito na po ba yun? Ay, common sense na, hindi ko bibila daw sa dito kung hindi.
Tawag na tayo nito. Tara na, tol.
So, ba't mo naisipan maghanap ng apartment? Si Paul ba? Oo. Pero wag kang mag-alala, mabalik naman yun. Hi, finally.
Hi.
Ikaw ba?
Housemate ko?
Oo.
Oo rin.
Kumain ka na ba?
Salamat.
Nabanggit nga pala kanina ng landlady na ikaw do si Paul.
Nakatama ka. Pero you can call me Polly.
Dasha nga pala.
You said forever, babe, did you mean it or not? Hold on, hold on. You leave me on red, babe, but I still get the message. Instead of a line, it's 3 dots, but I can connect them, babe. You know I respect it. If you need time, just take your time. Honey, I get it, I get it, I get it. Way you got me all in my head.
Tol, tingin tol.
After we graduate.
So far, hindi ko pa alam.
Don't worry, we're in this together.
Plano ko nga pala sa atin.
Wait lang, Polly. Hello?
Hi, Dasha. You know your dad's condition?
Kailangan mo.
Do as I say.
Tigilan mo na ako. Please lang.
Okay ka lang?
Oo, wala yun.
morning.
Gising. Takbo. 3, 2, 1, action.
Jeda. Jeda.
Sino po sila?
Can I ask po?
Yes po.
Pwede po makunin yung gamit ng dating boarders dito?
Tuloy ka.
Babs, asan yung shoes ko?
We've been waiting for you for 5 years to return. If you're here para kunin lahat ng gamit mo, I can help you. Polly kept all your things here. Kung nabibigat ang sa gamit mo, I can tell Polly to help you.
Hindi na, okay lang.
I insist.
Naalagaan ka naman niya.
Oo naman. Something you couldn't do.
I'm sorry, Paul.
Okay na yun. Tapos naman na din lahat.
Sige, Paul, muna na ako.
Saan?
The apartment we won't share. I wonder which side or what lives there. Have windows deciphered stairs. Do the bricks in the walls know to hide?
Sugar, if I tell you what's really happening.
I've
wandered for 5 years. I will always stay.
Not choose the daughter we won't raise to waste.
Sweet cousin and dad weren't in good terms. She treated me na hindi ko siya susundin. She'll do something like that. I can't risk it.
Sure
I love my dad so much.
demons I won't meet now, someone else's word to keep. I'm sure she's beautiful.